Hi everyone, today we're gonna find out how the Experiway works, which is AI-based travel platform. Now, Experiway is not similar to their competitors in the market which uses the AI, because on Experiway we don't ask you to give the prompt to AI. As we understand, not everyone is the prompt engineer and not everyone can give the ideal prompt to get the best results. That is why there is a machine system on Experiway that realizes your answers, as you see. Now, our first question was about the environment. The second one is the vacation type. The next question is about the stress level. And another one is our details. Where are we from? Do we have any visa problem? And the content. From here we can choose any content we want. We will choose the Europe, and just like this. When you click plan my trip, the machine system background takes your answers, turns it to the ideal prompt, gives it to our AI agent, and quickly AI agent finds out the best holiday destinations for you to enjoy, and in just one blink of eye, those holiday destinations already turn to the packages for you, which you can tailor from our website, as you see from here. Now, on the results page, there are two different kind of finding the prices. The first one is from here. So as you see, there is a dates that you can choose. Now if you choose the dates from here, it will affect all the results that you see on the results page. So basically, if you choose from here from 7th to 13th of June, it will show all the hotels with the prices on it for these dates. Also, you can see which cities have been found for you from Europe according to your preferences. Now we chose the Evergreen, the city surrounded by the mountains and the green forests, and also hiking activities. And as you see, there is Salzburg from Austria, Edinburgh from Great Britain, Bilbao from Spain, and etc. Now, another option you to find out the dates is from here, which you can click like this, go to here and click from 10th till 17th of May, and after you will do that, each hotel will give you the price according to their system. And what I mean is that when you click these dates from here, it doesn't show you the hotel pendle prices, but it shows you only Ibis hotel, and this one is without the prices. Why we are doing it? Because it helps us to give you the fast service. Now, another problem in tourism market is that the timing. The tourists, they don't want to lose time, they don't want to waste time already, they want it quick, and they want it tailored, they want it personalized. That is why Experiway gives you another option which you can tailor your holidays. From here you can choose any kind of airlines you want, that there is possibilities, do you know what I mean? And you can choose your airline from here, and you can choose your room type from here and the hotel type, and then just click plan my holiday. From here you put your names and the details and everything, and the next, and after that you book your ready holiday package. As you see from here, we have manual direct plan as well, which you put in your hometown, the place that you locate now, you put in the place that you want to visit, the dates that you have on your mind, and the number of people. After you put these four options, we create you the tailored holiday packages according to your preferences. We have language support, we have currency support, and we have register option as well, which after you register we give you better deals, hidden gems, and different kind of options as well. Thank you for your attention. Hope to see you on our website.